I lost 15 pounds of pure fat and gained muscle eating the same 3 lunches every single week, and I only spend 30 minutes on Sunday prepping all of them. No joke. While everyone else is microwaving sad desk lunches or spending $15 on fast food that makes them crash by 2 p.m., I'm absolutely thriving. And the crazy part? My gut has never felt better. If you're tired of being bloated, broke, and brain-fogged after lunch, these 3 meals are about to change your life. Okay, real talk. How many times have you hit noon, realized you have nothing to eat, and ended up ordering something that left you feeling like garbage an hour later? Or maybe you're one of those people who skips lunch entirely, then wonders why you're raiding the pantry at 4 p.m. like a raccoon going through trash. Listen, I've been there. I used to think meal prep was only for bodybuilders and Instagram fitness influencers with too much time on their hands. But then I realized something. The most successful people, the ones who actually have energy and mental clarity throughout the day, they all have one thing in common. They don't wing their nutrition. They plan it. And I'm not talking about eating chicken and broccoli out of Tupperware for the rest of your life. I'm talking about 3 insanely delicious, high-protein, gut-friendly lunches that you can prep in under 30 minutes and actually look forward to eating. These meals have literally transformed my energy levels, my digestion, my body composition, and honestly, my entire relationship with food. And the best part? You're going to save a ridiculous amount of money doing this. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why high-protein, gut-friendly lunches are an absolute game-changer. First, protein is the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it keeps you full longer and prevents those brutal afternoon energy crashes. When you eat a high-protein lunch, you're stabilizing your blood sugar, reducing cravings, and giving your body the building blocks it needs to maintain and build lean muscle mass. But here's where most people screw up. They focus only on protein and completely ignore gut health. Your gut is literally your second brain. It produces 90% of your body's serotonin and houses trillions of bacteria that influence everything from your mood to your immune system to your ability to lose fat. When you eat meals that support your gut microbiome, you're not just eating for today, you're investing in long-term health, better digestion, clearer skin, stronger immunity, and even better mental health. These 3 lunches I'm about to share hit both targets perfectly: high protein for satiety and muscle maintenance, and gut-friendly ingredients that feed your good bacteria and reduce inflammation. Let's jump into lunch number 1, and this is my absolute go-to when I need something satisfying and ridiculously easy. I call it the Mediterranean protein bowl. Here's what you need for 5 servings. 2 cups of cooked quinoa, which you can batch cook on Sunday in like 15 minutes. 2 cans of chickpeas, drained and roasted with olive oil, paprika, cumin, and a little sea salt. 4 cups of mixed greens like spinach, arugula, or whatever you like. 1 large cucumber diced. 2 cups of cherry tomatoes half a red onion thinly sliced. 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese, and this is optional if you're dairy-free. 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives, and for the protein star of the show, 1 pound of grilled chicken breast, but you could easily swap this for grilled salmon, turkey, or keep it plant-based with the chickpeas and add some hemp seeds. For the dressing, blend together 1/4 cup of tahini, juice of 2 lemons, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, and enough water to make it pourable. This tahini dressing is insanely creamy, packed with healthy fats, and tahini is incredible for gut health because it's made from sesame seeds, which are rich in fiber and minerals. Here's how you prep it. On Sunday, cook your quinoa and let it cool. Roast your chickpeas at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes until crispy. Grill or bake your chicken breast with whatever seasoning you like. I keep it simple with olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then grab 5 containers and layer everything. Start with quinoa as your base, add your greens, then chicken, chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, onion, feta, and olives. Keep your dressing in separate small containers so nothing gets soggy. When you're ready to eat, just pour the dressing over, mix it up, and boom. You've got a lunch with about 35 grams of protein, loaded with fiber from the quinoa and chickpeas, healthy fats from the tahini and olive oil, and probiotics if you include the fermented olives. The fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, the protein keeps you full for hours, and the healthy fats support hormone production and brain function. I literally eat this every Monday and Wednesday, and I never get tired of it because the flavors are so vibrant and fresh. Lunch number 2 is what I call the Asian-inspired salmon power bowl, and this one is next level for gut health because it includes fermented foods which are basically superfoods for your microbiome. Here's what you need for 5 servings. 1 pound of wild-caught salmon, which is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. 3 cups of cooked brown rice or cauliflower rice if you want to keep it lower carb. 4 cups of shredded purple cabbage, which is insanely high in antioxidants and fiber. 2 large carrots, julienned or shredded. 1 cup of edamame, shelled and cooked. 1/2 cup of kimchi, and this is the gut health secret weapon. 1 avocado sliced. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and for the protein boost, 4 soft-boiled eggs. For the dressing, whisk together 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos or low-sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 1 clove of minced garlic, and a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Here's the prep. Bake your salmon at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes with a little soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Let it cool and flake it into chunks. Cook your brown rice and let it cool completely. Soft boil your eggs for exactly 7 minutes, then ice bath them so they're easy to peel. Now assemble your bowls. Rice on the bottom, then layer your purple cabbage, carrots, edamame, flaked salmon, a scoop of kimchi, sliced avocado, and top with a half soft-boiled egg and sesame seeds. Keep the dressing separate until you're ready to eat. This lunch is an absolute powerhouse. You're getting about 40 grams of protein from the salmon and eggs. The kimchi provides probiotics that literally populate your gut with beneficial bacteria. The purple cabbage and carrots are loaded with fiber and antioxidants. The omega-3s from the salmon reduce inflammation throughout your entire body, including your gut lining. And the healthy fats from the avocado and sesame oil help you absorb all the fat-soluble vitamins. I eat this every Tuesday and Thursday, and I swear my digestion has never been better since I started including fermented foods like kimchi regularly. And now for lunch number 3, which is perfect for people who want something warm and comforting. I call it the gut-healing chicken and veggie soup. This one is incredible because bone broth is one of the most gut-healing foods on the planet, and when you combine it with high-quality protein and fiber-rich vegetables, you've got a meal that literally repairs your gut lining while keeping you full and energized. Here's what you need for 5 servings. 6 cups of organic bone broth, and you can buy this or make your own. 2 chicken breasts, or about 1 pound of chicken thighs, 3 medium carrots diced, 3 celery stalks diced, 1 large zucchini diced, 1 yellow onion diced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 cups of chopped kale or spinach, 1 can of white beans, drained and rinsed, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, fresh herbs like thyme and parsley, sea salt and black pepper to taste. Here's how you make it, and this is even easier than the other 2. In a large pot, heat your olive oil and sauté your onions, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes until softened. Add your garlic and cook for another minute. Pour in your bone broth and bring it to a boil. Add your chicken breasts whole, reduce heat, and let them simmer for about 20 minutes until cooked through. Remove the chicken, shred it with 2 forks, and add it back to the pot. Now add your zucchini, white beans, and kale. Simmer for another 10 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. Let it cool and portion it into 5 containers. When you reheat this at work, your whole office is going to be jealous because it smells incredible and looks like you spent hours making it. This soup gives you about 30 grams of protein per serving. The bone broth contains collagen and amino acids like glutamine that literally heal and seal your gut lining. The vegetables provide tons of fiber to feed your good bacteria, and the white beans add extra protein and resistant starch, which is a prebiotic that your gut microbes absolutely love. I eat this every Friday and it's become my favorite way to end the work week because it feels nourishing and cozy. So there you have it, 3 high-protein, gut-friendly lunches that you can prep in 30 minutes on Sunday and eat all week long. The Mediterranean protein bowl for freshness and variety, the Asian-inspired salmon power bowl for omega-3s and probiotics, and the gut-healing chicken soup for comfort and deep nourishment. Each of these meals keeps you full for hours, supports your gut health, helps you build and maintain muscle, and saves you a ridiculous amount of money compared to buying lunch every day. Think about it. If you're spending $10 to $15 on lunch 5 days a week, that's $50 to $75. These 3 meals cost maybe $30 to $40 total for the entire week, and they're infinitely healthier. You're literally investing in your health while saving money. That's a win-win. Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one of these 3 lunches and commit to making it this Sunday. Don't try to do all 3 at once if you're new to meal prep. Just pick one, make 5 servings, and see how you feel after a week of eating high-protein, gut-friendly lunches. I promise you'll notice a difference in your energy, your digestion, your focus, and probably your waistline too. Once you've mastered one, add another. Before you know it, meal prep will become second nature, and you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. Share this with a friend who's always complaining about not knowing what to eat for lunch. Drop a comment telling me which lunch you're most excited to try. And subscribe because I've got tons more meal prep ideas, gut health tips, and nutrition strategies coming your way. Here's to feeling incredible, saving money, and finally taking control of your nutrition. Now go make some food and become the healthiest version of yourself.